Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the light bulb in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Fully open the oven door and remove any racks that may be in the way. Unthread the light bulb cover. You can now unscrew the old bulb. Install the new light bulb by threading it into the socket. Be careful not to over-tighten. Replace the light bulb cover. Slide the oven racks into place. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.